Hi guys, I'm playing Roblox with my best friend Violet. She doesn't want to be here at all, as you can see from the chat. You can go follow me if you want. I'm on Build a Boat. I'm currently in here with Violet. This is Violet. I'm gonna ask her to say hi. She's saying that we're gonna fall apart. Oh, we're pink team. We've been going for a while now. We lost our fireworks. She doesn't want to say hi. She says hi. Right. So that's it for today. And you guys could maybe ask me some questions and then I can obviously answer them in a future video. I'm also going to be doing a few more videos like upcoming. So yeah. I'm on Build a Boat for treasure. Oh, and shout out to Violet for being a good sport about me filming. So yeah. So sorry if that was short, but yeah. Bye guys.